viewers. Today we're going to see about a peculiar condition, rather unique one, commonly prevalent in females of the middle age group called bladder pain syndrome. And I'm going to give you certain dietary tips about that as well. Now, bladder pain syndrome is characterized by its prevalence in young women who are usually about 25 to 40 years of age in the reproductive age group. And three main symptoms happen: increased frequent visits to the washroom, urgency, and pain during bladder filling, which slightly gets relieved on emptying the bladder. And this pain can be severe to that extent it can be disabling for daily life routine, causing depression as well as disturbing their sleep and making intercourse very difficult. So these patients generally get boxed into a group called chronic pelvic pain and can be going from a physician to a gynecologist to a urologist and even a psychiatrist at some point of time. Most importantly, these symptoms get aggravated by certain food types, and we need to identify these food types by keeping a food diary so you can avoid further aggravation of the problem. Classically happens due to citrus fruits, very sour and spicy foods, as also tea and coffee, wine, tobacco, and these kind of items can aggravate the problem, especially the frequency and the pain. People generally assume this is due to urinary tract infection and take a lot of tender coconut water. Interestingly, we note that these women who take tender coconut water seem to have an aggravation of their symptoms. The reason behind this is tender coconut water is rich in potassium solutes, and so is spinach and banana. And in this particular condition, the bladder inside is ulcerated, just like we get a gastric ulceration, not due to infection but due to inflammation. And when the ulcer comes into contact with potassium containing urine, then these nerve endings get stimulated and a lot of pain is perceived. So we generally ask them to avoid potassium containing substances, citrus fruits, Canberry like medications, so that they do not have aggravation of the symptoms. These are some of the few dietary tips for patients suffering from this unique condition called bladder pain syndrome or interstitial cystitis. Hope you found that useful. Thank you.